Are you pretending to call each other?
Yeah.
Okay. Cass.
Oh, that's right. What are you doing, Gaia? What are you doing? I don't know. I'm geese. It's not just geese. It's just. You're funny. It's not dear. No. I'm not a one. I want your fish. Oh. No. You don't like my fish. I want it like way up in the sky. Yup. No. That's not a guy. That's a moat. That's a mommy Waba. No, that's not a mommy Waba. That is the mama. Mama. Okay. Bye. Check. No. Check.
Okay, call each other again, Missy.
Hello. Hello. What are you doing? I don't know. I'm thanking. I don't know. What's your brother's name? It's like anything you work, like something is one way, no, they don't do roll. I will fly in Skylot. It's easy to fly. No, I found it like you used to fly. I would like give you try to make a wish. I really hope so. I really hope so, Aya. I really hope that. Hey, what? No.
Cass, what are you saying?
I just have hope. I just no. You're silly. Took. No. The banana.
Now, is it time to eat your banana, or you still want to play Ponko?
Open it.
Unpeel it. Peel it, please.
Peel it.
Oh, here.
Peel it, please.
Oh, you're...
Eat the banana. I'll wait for you. No.
Here. There's... Ella's gonna peel it for you, Cass.
Oh, thank you, Aya. Thank you, Aya.
See...
Oh, boy. Thank you so much.
What are you gonna say, Ella? After you say thank you.
Why are you eating your phone, Ella?
Say you're welcome. You're welcome, Cassis. Yeah. How's the phone? It's not a phone anymore, huh? It's a banana.
Yeah.
Okay, the end. You guys finished pretending calling each other. The end. Can I say the end, guys? No? Cass? Can I say the end? No? Okay, I call it the end anyway. Thank you.
Sugar.
Tummy.
Yeah. Yummy in your tummy.
Look, Aya. Look. Look. That. Nom, nom, nom.
Did you know? Did you guys know that you're eating Nanay's banana?
Gosh, you ate both sides first and then you ate both sides.
I'm getting stuck.
Yeah,
You
you're
are getting
strong.
strong.
I like that. Gosh, is getting strong. How about you, Ella?
See your muscles?
Ella
There
got
you
big
go.
muscle too?
See your muscles? There you go.